Hello guys, welcome again to our YouTube channel. Today we'll be cooking one of the famous Italian dish pasta that we Filipinos adopted and gave our own version to make it more flavorful and tasteful that suits our own Filipino taste. We call it creamy tagliatelle. By the way guys, most of our viewers are non-subscribers, so consider giving us a follow by subscribing. It's free and it will help us continue to grow our YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Now here are our ingredients. Let's start with our mushroom. Much better if it's a fresh mushroom. Smoked bacon, fresh milk, tagliatelle pasta, basil, olive oil, butter, salt, pepper, and for sauteing, we need onion and garlic. We also need double cream. Let's start cooking our pasta. In a clean pot, let's boil some water enough to cook our pasta, or just follow the instruction stated on the packet of the tagliatelle pasta. While waiting for our pasta to cook, let's start preparing our ingredients. Let's begin with our garlic. For about 3 cloves of garlic, peel it and chop into small pieces or mince it. Then set aside. Followed by our onion. Just half of our medium-sized onion and peel the skin and chop as same with our garlic. Set aside, followed by our basil. Just chop it into small pieces. This is how just easy making this creamy tagliatelle, preparing the ingredients. Now, let's check our pasta. It's cooked. Let's drain it and set aside. Let's start cooking. On a clean wok, just pour in our olive oil. Spread it in the wok and wait until hot before pouring our bacon. Now it's time to cook our bacon. We'll be cooking this bacon until crisp on the outside, all golden brown in color. Just cook this bacon in a medium heat to avoid burn that will give a bitter taste to our pasta. Just keep stirring so that it will be cooked on both sides. And cover. After 5 minutes, just check it and stir again. You can see the transformation of our bacon, the color becoming now golden brown. Now let's set aside. On the same wok, let's pour in our butter. Just wait it to melt. And pour in our chopped garlic. Let's cook our garlic until its fragrance extracted. Now let's follow our onion. Just keep stirring on the pan. It's time to add our mushroom. As I told you earlier, if you have fresh mushroom, it's better to use in this dish. Since I don't have a fresh mushroom, I just substituted it with this frozen mushroom. Just wait to cook our mushroom before adding other ingredients. Now it's time to add our fresh milk, our cream that will give a thick sauce on this pasta dish. And season it with salt and black pepper and keep stirring so that the taste will incorporate with our sauce, and cover. Wait until boil. At this consistency of our sauce, it's time to add our bacon. Just leave some for garnishing. Also our cut basil. Gently stir before adding our cooked pasta. Now it's time to add our cooked tagliatelle pasta. Just add gradually and keep mixing on our pasta sauce. You will notice I use a silicone tongs mixing this pasta on our sauce where I am comfortable, or it's up to you. Just keep stirring until our pasta is not sticking with each other and fully incorporated with our pasta sauce. Now, let's add some more. This point in time is now ready. Start plating. Na clean plate, start plating our creamy tagliatelle. And garnish with our bacon. And spread it with Parmesan cheese for added flavor and taste on this recipe. And here is our creamy tagliatelle pasta. Share it with your family and loved ones on special occasion or even family gatherings and parties. And share the recipe of our delicious creamy tagliatelle pasta. Please support our YouTube channel, Facebook page, Instagram, TikTok at Lutuing Pinoy Abroad. Enjoy cooking, happy eating. Thank you very much and God bless. Bye-bye!